Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Right now, you all have your journal on your desk.
Yep.
Today, we're going to talk. Move that down a little bit. Today, we're going to go over mean, median, mode, and range. This is a problem that you'll see on the assignment you have tomorrow. Cool.
Awesome.
This is a problem. If you follow along with it, write it down, you're going to have one of the answers to the assignment you have tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. So we are going to find mean, median, mode, and range of that set of data.
Are we using Team Shake?
I'm going to get Team Shake right now.
Sponsor us! He wants millions!
I want millions!
Do I need to turn this off and not record in this class?
No.
Because I don't know where there's yelling.
I just want millions.
I didn't ask.
He just wants millions.
Exactly.
Yeah, millionaire. Money. He's underpaid. All the work.
Victoria, which would you like to do first? Mean, median, mode, or range?
I would like to do mode.
Mode. So Victoria, explain to the class how you find the mode.
The mode for a data set is the element that occurs the most often. It is not uncommon for a data set to have more than one mode. This happens when two or more elements occur with equal frequency in the data set. A data set with two models is called
Bimodal.
bimodal. A data set with three modes is called
Trimodal. All right. So the mode is finding the most. Which one shows up the most is what the modes are. Is what mode is. You will not. If it does not, let me rephrase that. If it does not have a number that shows up more than the others, if they all show up the same thing, the same amount, then there is no mode. No mode. No mode.
The mode.
No mode.
No mode.
All right, so Victoria,
Yes.
you are doing the mode. So which number in this data set shows up the most? One.
Two ones.
So the 1
11.
shows up more than any other number in this data set.
2.
Quiet. Natalie, which would you like to solve? Mean, median, or range? Range. Natalie, tell me how to solve range. Good. The biggest. Subtract smallest. Biggest subtract smallest. So, Natalie, which number is the biggest number in our data set?
6.
So, Natalie, which number is the smallest number in our data set?
1.
So, Natalie, what is our range?
5.
5. Thank you. So, Natalie. Tatum, would you rather find median or mean?
Mean.
Mean. So, when you're finding the mean, Tatum, what do?
You add all of the data pieces together, and then however many data pieces there are, you divide by that.
Okay, so finding the mean, we're going to add all the data pieces together. Then we're going to divide by the number of pieces of data we have. So, Tatum, the sum of our data is?
18.
18. So if our sum is 18, what are we dividing 18 by? Tatum?
6.
Why 6?
Because that's how many pieces of data there are.
Because that is how many pieces of data there are. So Tatum, what is our mean?
3.
3. Because 18 divided by 6 is 3. Let's see. Elijah, would you like to find median or median?
The second one.
All right, median. So Elijah, explain to me how you find the median.
The median.
of a data set is dependent on whether the number or elements in the data set is odd or even. First, record the data set from the smallest to the largest.
Excellent. That's where we're going to start. Listing it in order from least to greatest. So, Elijah,
Why can't it be greatest
least to greatest. Go.
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Why can't it be greatest to least?
It can. Doesn't matter. All right. So, Elijah, what does median mean?
First, record from smallest to largest. Then, if the number of elements are odd, then the median element in the middle.
Good. Middle. Median means middle. So we are trying to find the middle piece of data.
What language is
And we have cross there, cross there, cross there, cross there. We have two numbers in the middle. Elijah, what do we do if we have two numbers as our median? Elijah's telling me.
If the number of elements are odd, the median element is the middle data set. If the numbers are even, then the median average is the two terms.
Okay, so we're finding if there are two numbers as the median, you add them together and divide by 2. Or basically you're finding halfway between 2 and 3. So Elijah, what's halfway between 2 and 3?
4.5.
Not 4.5.
seriously?
You add them, then like,
If I have $2 and Addie has
2.5.
2.5, thank you.
wait, you said add?
2.5. Add them together
Yeah.
and then divide by 2.
Why?
Because you want
You're finding
what's in the middle of these.
So it's 1, 1, 1.
Okay, so if some of them have an odd number of pieces of data, and that means there's going to be one median.
See,
If they have an even number of pieces of data, you're going to have to take the two medians and find the middle of those. The two medians and find the middle of those. Questions? Elijah.
So, why do you have to put it in the least degree?
Because if I don't put it into least to greatest, then my median would be 1. I could put it in 100 different ways, and my median might be different. So, to make it standard, so
Least to greatest.
everything's the
or
same,
greatest to least.
least to greatest, greatest to least, because we want the middle value. If I don't put them in order from least to greatest, I don't have the middle value. I have whatever number I put in the middle. That's not going to represent the actual middle of the values. Victoria.
Can I fill up my water bottle?
Not right this second. Thank you for asking. Gunner, you get to decide if we do one more or if you're fine with doing the one we did.
Can we please do one more?
Okay, we will do one more. We will do one more.
It's going to be awesome.
Our set of data is going to be...
He has it on a post-it note.
I have a lot of change
6, 7.
and a lot of work that I did.
Why are you talking?
I don't
Please stop.
sorry.
Thank you. All right, Gunner, since you selected, would you like to pick one of these to do, mean, median, motor, range?
First one.
Mean, good. What do I do first for finding the mean, Gunner?
Add all of the numbers.
Good. We're going to find the sum of our pieces of data. So what is the sum of our data? Good. 24. Our sum is 24. What do I do with that sum, Gunner?
You divide it
by the number of
Pieces of data.
pieces of data.
Good. So what am I dividing it by, Gunner? 6. So what is my mean, Gunner?
4.
4. Now when you look at your grade sheet and it shows your overall grade, that's how they find it. They add, the computer does it because I'm too lazy, but it adds all of your grades together and then divides by the number of grades you have.
Wait, what? I didn't know that.
It adds all of your grades together and then divides by the number of grades you have. Did you hear it that time? Okay, good. Ethan, would you like to do median, mode, or range? Mode. Ethan, what is mode? How do you find mode?
Mode is
You turn on the motor.
the one that appears least.
The one that appears the most. Good. So in this set of data, Ethan, what is our mode?
2.
2. 2 shows up more than any other number.
Why can't we see those?
Jaden,
Yes.
would you like to do median or range?
Median.
Median. What is my first step when finding the median?
Put it from greatest to least, or least to greatest.
Okay, so tell me what to write.
2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7.
Okay, we're finding the median. Looks like 3 and 4 are in the middle. So what is my median? What's halfway between 3 and 4? 3.5 or 3.5.
My mind is blown.
And
I want to do it the last one.
Kayla, would you like to find range or range? The second one, good. Range.
So hard.
Kayla, how do I find range?
How do you people decide? Jeez.
Good. The largest value from the smallest value from the largest value. So what is the largest value, Kayla?
7,
What's the smallest value, Kayla?
2.
What's the difference between those two numbers, Kayla? 5. My range is 5. Thank you for participating. Boom!
Shakalaka!
Peace out. God bless. Love ya. Do something kind today. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my friend Robots from Neptune. You will not regret it.